Do you have the best cybersecurity in place for your business or organization? However, even with the top-of-the-line software and technology, your weakest link may be the very people you work with. Human error is the #1 cause of data breaches, and every attack or breach damages your reputation, compromises your integrity, and puts your organization at greater financial risk. Unfortunately, too many businesses never recover from a cyber attack, and your employees are often the first line of defense against threats. That's why proper employee training can stop any gaps in your cybersecurity protocols. With DC Encompass, we can help you by assessing your employees and enrolling them in the best suitable courses to improve their cybersecurity awareness. These trainings will help you improve your security posture, reduce the risk of data theft, increase awareness of suspicious activity, and report issues and potential vulnerabilities. By educating your personnel with our expertise and guidance, you can move forward with confidence and trust. Contact DC Encompass today at dcencompass.com.au to get started.